The 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, MP3 player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.